So this is reflection 3 for module 3, where we talk about concepting, visualizing, and prototyping. Uh, what we're doing here is that we are thinking, we are generating ideas, brainstorming, and going as wide as we can, because it's not important to always be right. Uh, the process is better. How you got to that right answer? How many things do you try to make it the best option, to make it the right choice? So you generate ideas, you do a range of possibilities, and you communicate those in various ways. I think this concept of concepting is really important for innovation, because there are things that might be working, that might be working well, but we want them to be better. We want everything to be the best. We want everything to grow. We want to always be thinking of the user, of the customer, and how can we make things better for the customer. Visualization is how you take those ideas and then you visualize them. You start thinking about them in your head, so that way you can create solutions, and these solutions are the prototypes. And why should we prototype? Because it's cheap, because it's a good way to learn. It's a good way to get feedback. It's fun, and it's like the wallet exercise that we did earlier in the semester, where we did a prototype. We got feedback from the customer. We did it again. We got more feedback, and that way it works. And I feel that it's the same concept that we're doing in our group project, where we have several presentations through the semester that allow us to gain feedback from the professor, gain feedback from the users, from Creative Mornings people, and then improve our presentation, improve our solutions, improve our ideas for the project. So on every single thing that we do is attached this concept of growing, of making things better, of trying and trying and trying. And it's also good because it also brings back the other things that we learned in the semester, earlier in the semester. Brings back empathy and human understanding. So the process that we're learning through the semester, from step 1, step 2, step 3, is all attached to each other. This design thinking process, where you create empathy for the user, you understand their problems, and then with those problems, then you generate solutions, as many solutions as you can. Then with these solutions, you start visualizing possible solutions for these problems, and then through that visualization, then you create prototypes. So it's pretty much one step after the other one. So I'm liking what I'm learning, and I hope I continue learning, and I can adjust that in my life on how to solve a problem, and not only in my professional life, but in my personal life as well. Thank you.